Hey everybody, Sister Mills here. I'm just making this quick screencast to give you a little introduction to myself so that you can know me as your instructor and as a person. Um, I'll go ahead and jumpstart the introductions and I'm excited to get to know you as well. So the first thing you should know about me is that my family is everything to me. I'm married to Chase. He is a firefighter paramedic here at in the Idaho Falls Fire Department. We have two kids. We have Kale, who's 5, and Avery, who's 3. Kale is um, he's our little OCD boy. He likes things a certain way, and he's very clean and tidy. Avery, on the other hand, is complete opposite. She loves things messy. She is our little fiery redhead, and so they couldn't be more different, but they get along so well, and we have so much fun together. You can see by these pictures, there's never a dull moment with these two around. The picture in the middle is a typical day at the Mills household. The kids dressed up as superheroes or Transformers or Power Rangers and playing together and fighting off bad guys. So that's a pretty typical day for us. For family fun, we really like to do anything outdoors. We love hiking, especially, and our kids really enjoy it as well. They're getting a little bigger, so they can go on longer hikes, and we have this nifty little backpack that we can carry them in if they get tired, so that always helps. And we really enjoy hiking, camping, fishing, pretty much anything to do outdoors, and we do it. We live about an hour south of Yellowstone, and so we go there quite a bit, and we have lots of rivers and mountains around surrounding us. So pretty much anywhere we go, there's something fun to do in the outdoors. We also really love to travel. In the picture on the right, we were actually in Salt Lake in that picture heading to a Utah Jazz game. But we love to travel, and this past year, our biggest trip was to California, where we went to Disneyland, California Adventure, SeaWorld, and Legoland, and we also even had a day for the beach. And this past year was crazy with traveling. We did that trip. We went to Arizona for my brother's wedding. We went to Utah to go to Lagoon. It's a theme park there. And we also went to Seattle and to Flathead Lake in Montana. So it was quite an adventurous year for us, and we had a blast together at doing that. Um, just a little information about me. I graduated from BYU Idaho with a bachelor's degree in English and health education, and then I just recently graduated from National University with a master's in educational and instructional technology. So I really love where I'm at. I love teaching for Pathways. It's been perfect for me. Um, I've been able to teach for Pathways through BYU Idaho for about 3 years now, and I enjoy it so much. It's the best teaching job I've ever had, and that is all attributed to my students. I love getting to know my students, and I love seeing them progress. I love hearing their stories and getting to know them. And so this semester is going to be no exception. I'm super excited to meet you, excited to get this class going and really find out more about you and enjoy the semester together. The last thing I wanted to throw out there was this is one of my favorite quotes from Gary E. Stevenson. He says, "You have the savior of the world on your side. How can you fail?" And I really enjoy this quote because it's given me strength in times when I felt weak and I felt like I wasn't adequate for the challenges that lied ahead of me. But when I remember that the Savior is with me, then I know I can succeed. And I hope that you guys feel the same way this semester. I hope you know the Savior is on your side, and He wants you to succeed not only in gaining a testimony of Him, but in life and in school, in your families, in your careers, in every way possible. He really wants you to be successful and happy, and so I hope you'll learn that this semester and really feel His love.